Welcome everyone. To use the action button, by default, if you long press this button, you can see we can turn on or turn off the silent mode. But to program the button, let's start by opening up the settings. And inside of the settings, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see action button. From here, we can switch turning on or off silent mode by swiping across, and we can change the mode. If you see an option and there is an arrow, if you tap the arrow, you can switch what's going to happen. So in this example, this is going to open the camera app, and by default, it will go into the photo mode of the camera app. By tapping on the arrow, we can switch what mode the camera app will open by default. If we go across, you can see here shortcut. If you have any shortcuts in the shortcut app of your iPhone, by long pressing the action button, it will run that shortcut. If you have any accessibility features you want to use, maybe guided access, any other feature, you select choose, and then you locate the feature, and then you tap on it to select. Then we have no action, and this disables the action button entirely. So I will set camera. I think this is best for most people, but choose what is best for you. That's what matters. And so when we long press this button, it will open the camera. But there's an issue. How do we turn on or off silent mode when the action button is programmed to something else? To do this, I want you to swipe down from the far right hand side of the screen, and we have a silent mode button. Tap the button, and when it's red, silent mode is on. Tap the button, and when the silent mode is white, then silent mode is disabled. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.